Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over the bulk editor tool for groups. So bulk editor is a new feature that Heartland just came out with, and I think it's a really great feature. Let me show you what you can do with groups on it. So you're going to go to the admin portal, which is hrpos.heartland.us, and then you've got the menu button up here at the left, and then account menu, and then you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says bulk editor. Once you're in here, you have record type. When you click in this field, these are all the things that you can edit. Each one of these I'm going to do on separate videos, so please, if you want to see one of these other categories, please check out my other videos. For this one, we're going to do groups. And there's not a whole lot to edit on groups, to be honest with you, but some places have a lot of different menus, especially if you're doing multiple revenue centers, and you're going to have a bunch of different menus. So if that's a good scenario for you, then this would be great because you can bulk edit the names, you can search, and then you can put whether or not they're available online. Outside of that, you can add if you're going to add a bunch, or delete if you need to delete them. Make sure you hit save when you're done making your changes, and don't forget to hit the publish button. That's all there is to this video. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.